How's it going, everybody? My name is the Cheesy Puffs, and this is Readit, a fully featured Windows 10 universal app that is a Reddit client. Boy, my grammar is terrible today. I am running off of no sleep. I decided to make this quick video just to show you that, hey, there's this really cool Windows 10 optimized app out there that it really showcases the UI of Windows 10 and what the full potential of Windows 10 would be. But it also works on mobile devices. So it's not a full-fledged Windows 32 app, but it is definitely very pretty. There's some of you that like Windows 32 apps a lot more. That's okay, but today we're focusing on a universal app because that's what Microsoft was showcasing in that last pretty epic keynote, I'm not going to lie. Somewhere in here, this is Readit. I'm in a Windows 10 subreddit, seems fitting. We're going to go ahead and just click on Windows 10. Cortana will remind you to keep promises. Oh, it's a full website. Well, look at that. So you have a full browser, I guess, linking the PC World, which I don't like because that website is garbage. Great content, it's just the website is poorly optimized. So you can view full links right here. If you want to view the comments, you just click the comments right here, or scroll down here. Maybe. Thank you. So you scroll in here, it'll scroll in the website. Scroll down here, and I'll actually scroll down. You have a sticky header right here that says how many comments there are. You can upvote, downvote, favorite, save. Basically do everything off of Readit.com, except in a more pretty client. So that's basic. I almost forgot one thing. So over here, there's this button, top right hand corner. It will be like a giant window with a bar that with an arrow and something like that. It's hard to describe these minimalistic icons, but you click that, you got your sidebar here. It'll actually showcase how many people are online in this subreddit, how many total readers there are. You can pin this subreddit to your I don't know if I want to do cycling image tile. Last time I did that, it was kind of ugly looking, but I'm gonna showcase both. I'll just show you both. So we're gonna go ahead and pin that to start, and I'll have live data pulled right off the subreddit. See, Windows 10 computer always enters power saver power plan. Where would that text be? I don't know where that would be, but it's somewhere in this Reddit. That might be under the new, might be sorted under new, but yeah, it has full live tiles. Let me show you the one with the image, and it should pop up right here, and it should be that image right there. Start menu, graphic glitches. Nope, I was wrong. What can I say? I'm never right. Well, actually, I am right, just not all the time. So we're not going to worry about that. Sure, no. So you can search the subreddit, limit it to actually r/Windows 10, or you can just search all of Reddit itself. You can submit a new link, submit a new text post, subscribe, unsubscribe. Pin will actually keep the sidebar there. In fact, I'm going to keep that on. I like that. There are ads in this client, but they're not visible for some reason. You can pay $3.99 in-app purchase for America, that is, and I'll get rid of that. So you can see this. You can just tap various things. Go figure. And let's go check out settings. Now, settings is something awesome. You can have adaptive UI, which will basically it'll detect the screen size and basically lay out everything perfectly to your screen size. I guess it'll tailor it. So if you're on a phone, it'll be pretty. Or you can actually set it to desktop mode, which if you disable this, you'll have preferred desktop UI there. I like to keep that enabled because keep disable adaptive UI off because it just seems more fluid. Pull for new messages means it'll constantly keep updating, looking for new personal messages. My Apple TV just turned off. Application live tile. You'll see your karma score and your username and direct messages on your Reddit or Readit tile if you have it on your start menu. Toast notifications is basically the notification that'll pop up in the bottom right over here, and you'll open the notification center, click it, and pop up and open your detailed notifications. Is basically the same thing except with a lot more text and more details. Hide menu after selection. So this button up here with the 3 lines underneath the back button in the jump to area up here, that is called the hamburger menu. It'll pop out, show your subreddits, settings, text, and everything. And every time you click on something, it will just hide it. So we're just going to go to inbox, and there I have nothing, and the hamburger menu is hidden. Open it back up, we'll go back into settings. Now if you'll disable this, it'll actually keep this open all the time, even if you click on something. So we're going to go back into inbox, and the hamburger menu is still open. Go back into settings. We're going to show you the default, like when you first load up Readit, you can open up r/funny, your friends, front page, or any other subreddit or multi-reddit there is. You can change the application theme to dark or light. Personally, I believe Windows 10 should have a system-wide default where you can toggle in quick settings and notification center. Just turn on dark mode or whatever, and it'll go across all apps no matter what. And you'll have a default option here. So it'll be dark, light, and default. And default will be your system-wide setting. I would love to have that. You can change your language, which that better have it. Save your or change your folder for where you save your pictures from r/funny or whatever. You can pull or grab images from a subreddit to actually use as your wallpaper on your lock screen or your background, but I like to be more controlling, and that looks a hell of a lot more prettier than Earth Porn. Plus, this is a 4K monitor, and I have to have my 4K wallpaper. You can change the shut up phone. You can change the update frequency of how long it changes the wallpaper. I think the ability to change it like once a day is pretty nice. That's kind of how I like it. Mobilized websites. That's great for if you're on a phone and it's like a desktop website and you want it condensed into a mobile website. You don't really need it, and probably don't even want it on a desktop. Enable JavaScript altogether. It basically has its own browser inside of it, but not really. It's Microsoft Edge browser, just more settings from in here. You can hide not safe for work images, which I prefer. Don't want to go through some subreddit and see a random pair of boobs. Change your default subreddit sort. I have mine set to hot. You can go to new, top, rising, controversial, whatever you want. Comment settings. You can show flares, preload comments, etc. I think leaving it alone is fine, but if you're really, really picky, you got the settings. You can do default comment sort. Kind of want mine. I would want mine set to oldest to newest. I'm going to do that to see if I believe that's correct. You have different settings for either Wi-Fi or cellular, kind of like what you would find in YouTube, where you can set the cellular video quality to like 480p and the Wi-Fi quality to full 4K if you want. You can show thumbnails, full resolution images, full resolution thumbnails. You can change the maximum YouTube quality to 4K. The list goes on and on and on. Why isn't this popping down? Weird. Oh, the hamburger mint. Oh, that's weird. I guess that was a small bug. Apparently the hamburger menu was open, but the subreddits weren't visible. So we're going to go ahead and view my profile just to show you what it looks like. And you get basically just it's what you expect. Yes, it says I'm a 2-year Redditor, but I haven't used it as heavily as I do now. You can add friends here, I believe. I don't know. It's disabled. You can send a new message. You can refresh, change. I think I need to check my phone soon. But yeah, you can log out, view profile, manage accounts. I believe, yeah, you can have multiple accounts, which is pretty cool. So let's go into Kylo Ren. Because, yeah. Where's Kylo Ren? Kylo Ren. So here we are in Kylo Ren. I'm starting to blabber. This button, jump to. If you want to just your basic search button or whatever, press that. And you can go to whatever subreddit you want to go to, r/whatever. And, oops. Apparently clicking jump to subreddit would do that. Go to a random subreddit, go to a random subscribe subreddit. You even have the button to go to a random not safe for work subreddit. Don't do it. You'll see some messed up stuff on there. I did it a few times. Out of a dare. Horrendous. But yeah. So I guess this is a late. I've been wanting to do this for a while. It's just a matter of I wanted to let it mature. I wanted the developers to fix the bugs and stuff. And let me know. Is this kind of like a good format to show you this? Or would you like a straight up full-fledged review like I did with the Nexus 6, except software-wise? But this really isn't a review. It's more of an overview and an app I think you guys should actually look into. So hit me in the comments. Is this a good format to show you random videos where like, hey, this is really cool, or whatever? And if you like the video, leave a thumbs up. And subscribe for more content like this, or like that pretty epic Nexus 6 video I made. Although I needed to record more B-roll and have more variety. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!